So to begin creating the back stitch, what you're going to do is sew about an inch along the first line, and then you're going to stop. Then you're going to press and hold the reverse stitch lever, which can be found at the bottom right of the machine. You're then going to continue sewing back up to the top of the line, and then sew all the way down to the bottom of the line. Then you'll press and hold the reverse stitch again to go up to this line, which is about an inch, and then sew normally to the end of the line. I'll show you how this works, but just so you know, if you follow the numbers here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those correspond to the numbers in the directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me show you what that looks like. We'll start again the same way, bringing the needle down into the top of the line. Here. Bring this presser foot down, and you'll sew down to the first line there, about an inch. Then you'll hit your reverse stitch lever and sew back up. And then you'll sew all the way down to the end of the line. Remember to keep that line in the center of the presser foot. You're sewing all the way down to the end of the line. Then what you're going to do is hit the reverse stitch lever again. Back up about an inch, or as a guide, I have lines there for you. And then sew down to the end of the line as you would normally. And then you stop, hand wheel to remove the needle, lift the presser foot, and pull out your paper. You can look at the paper the same way that you did before and see if your line is straight. You can also see where the back stitch is indicated by a deeper or wider opening where the needle was. Again, if you're having issues with larger holes or back and forth, you need to correct the way that you're holding the paper. You're going to continue moving across, working through the lines, this time moving the same way across the paper, but remember it is turned around. Always sew with the bulk of the material to the left of the needle.